Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope that things are getting back to normal. I know that we were in quarantine or more than quarantine. We were like 3 months like basically just isolating ourselves, but we also had to continue keeping distance, wearing our mask whenever we go out, because now here in New York a lot of stores are opening up and we still have to keep in mind to basically maintain distance and take precautions and all of that for the safety of us and for the safety to the other people. I am super excited to be back here, you guys. I know that for the past 2 weeks I stopped uploading, and the new video that I uploaded was on Wednesday. So if you guys haven't watched that new video, go ahead and watch it after this video. But today guys, I am sitting down here because I have all of my makeup here, right here on my table. So today I want to basically prep my makeup base. I want to apply like a color eyeshadow, not too extreme, but at least one color eyeshadows on my eyelids, so that way you guys could also recreate it and it's not super hard for you as well. So if you are a makeup beginner, this tutorial will be super good for you, so you could basically get an idea. With that being said guys, I'm not going to talk too much because I really want to go ahead and start this tutorial. So if you guys have been subscribing to my channel and have been basically watching my videos, thank you so much guys. I appreciate you. Right now we are 377 subscribers, so to all of you who have subscribed to me, I thank you so much. Thank you for the bottom of my heart for basically watching my videos and learning. Hopefully you guys are learning something, and which makes me really happy. But if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so you could join this makeup beauty channel, and which will help me a lot to make more videos in the future as well. So with that being said guys, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so that way you guys don't miss any of my videos. And if you're subscribed already, welcome back. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and also concealed my lid. So now what I'm gonna do is basically do my makeup base. So going with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, I'm gonna apply this baby right here on my T-zone where I usually get oily. Okay, so for our foundation, today I'm gonna go with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect foundation. So this is in the shade 058 Natural Beige. And going with my ColourPop sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and dissolve my foundation all over my face. Like I should have known to not wear white, but look at me. Like I should have known, but look, I just dirtied my white shirt. And I literally said the other video that I hate wearing white, but guess what? I still do it. Okay guys, so we are back. I had to go and change with this shirt because that white shirt is not going to stay white. So okay guys, so let's just continue and blend our foundation. We're gonna go ahead and apply our concealer in our under eyes. So today I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Warm. And this shade has like a yellow or gold undertone, which is good for me because I kind of got tan. Then we're gonna go with our sponge again, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that baby. Okay you guys, so then I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer. So today I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So I am going with a brush to basically set that concealer that I just applied. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer. Today I will be using the NYX matte bronzer. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and also grab my translucent powder again, and I'm just going to sculpt my cheekbones, and I'm also going to contour my nose using the bronzer. And then I'm gonna let that bake for like a minute or so, or when I'm done with my blush and my contour nose. And then I'm going to grab my translucent powder. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. And I'm gonna use the Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. And I'm just applying it right here on the apples of my cheeks and then bringing the brush upwards. And then grabbing a clean big brush, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my translucent powder. And then we're gonna go ahead and focus on our eyes. So if you are planning to add a color eyeshadow, then you don't need to set your lids. The only time you want to set your lids is if you're not putting no eyeshadow whatsoever and you want to go natural and everything. So to add a transition color on my lids, I'm gonna go with this shade right here. This is like a light orange shade, and this is called Mr. Diva from the Morphe times Jeffree Star palette. And just to let you guys know, they do have a sale on this palette on Morphe and Ulta store. So if you guys want to go and get you this palette, now is the time for you to get this palette, guys, because it's on sale. But grabbing a big fluffy brush, I'm using the Morphe N441, and I'm gonna apply that right over here all over my transition shade. Okay guys, so now that we basically blended out our transition color, I'm going to go ahead and apply more of a dark orange. So with that, I'm gonna go with this shade right here, which is called Los Angeles. And you could grab the same brush that you use. And what I'm gonna do is basically apply it right here on my outer corner. Nothing too crazy, just right here. So you just wanna place that shade over there. You don't need to blend it or anything. For now, you don't need to blend it. Just apply it right there. Once you apply that shade, then you're gonna go ahead and blend it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a shimmer shade right here. And I'm gonna go with this beautiful shimmer shade, which is called Want Noise. And then I'm going to flip the brush on the clean side, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is called Dog Mom. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our under eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply Los Angeles. Alright you guys, so we are almost done with our eyelids. So the next thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. So that way we're gonna go ahead and apply our falsies next. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsies. Today I am using the Beauties Lashes Insta Hold. Alright guys, so I went ahead and already applied my lashes. I can never ever go wrong with this beautiful and stunning lashes from Beauties. They are absolutely so beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and order me some more because I've been using this I've been reusing this falsies for quite a long time now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara under my eyes. Okay you guys, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a shimmer shade on here on my inner eyes. So going with our palette one more time, I'm gonna apply this white shade right here, which is called Welcome. And then going with my Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, I'm going to apply right here. Okay guys, so this completes this natural and summer vibe look. So I'm gonna go off camera, fix this table because it's a mess. So when I am done, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the final look of this natural face. Alright you guys, so I am back and this is the final look of this face. Let me know if you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment down below what part of this video you enjoyed. So we are almost 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and if we hit 400 or 500 subscribers, I will be doing a small giveaway for 2 people. So definitely stay tuned for my videos when that happens. But yeah guys, thank you so much if you guys made it to the end. Before I end this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that way you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And with that being said guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you guys in my next video.